Something else I want to talk to you about. Not too long ago, we saw a direct correlation with Bitcoin and the NASDAQ 100. They kind of moved lockstep. This was like late last year. Has that correlation continued, and what does that tell us?
So no, actually, Bitcoin's correlation with the NASDAQ today is at its lowest level since the FTX collapse. With FTX, that was a pretty idiosyncratic market event, so it only briefly dipped. But it seems actually since the start of the year, we've seen a steady decline in this. I would say for the first 2 months, January and February, crypto markets were really suffering. And so what we're seeing, though, is a slight decorrelation across the entire asset class, from crypto to equities alike. And I think that's due to a lot of crypto-specific issues, specifically the regulatory crackdown that happened in January and February. And now we're seeing actually a bull reversal, which is even stronger than what we're seeing in NASDAQ. So it's sort of the opposite trend since the start of the week.
All right, Claire, the big question, I think, for everybody that invests in cryptocurrencies right now, we have a big Fed meeting coming up next week. We obviously just had the SVB situation. We also saw Signature Bank, which was considered the last major crypto bank, shut down. Coming up, this Fed meeting, is that going to have an impact on crypto the same way we expect it to have an impact on stocks, or does crypto have some other meaningful moment coming up?
So cryptocurrencies certainly react very strongly to any Fed meeting, especially over the past year. And a lot of crypto investors are very hopeful, especially in news of 3 bank closures in the United States, that the Fed is going to take it easy. And this is good for all risk assets. It's not just crypto, it's equity markets too. Crypto markets just happen to be a lot more volatile. So essentially they lead market sentiment. And right now there's a bit of a bullish mood across all markets that the Fed is going to halt these very aggressive rate hikes, or at least slow them down. And so that's overflowing into crypto today.